Welcome to Technolearn Academy. In this lecture, we are going to discuss if condition. If is an Excel function that returns on a logical test. Returns one value if the condition is true and returns another value if the condition is false. This is the syntax of the if condition. If condition has three arguments. First, we need to provide the condition. Second, the value of the logic is true. Third, the value of the logic test is false. Let's understand the if condition with a practical example. The table provided displays the score of each student, and we need to find out if the student is fail or pass. If the test score of the student is greater than 3.5, that means the student is passed, else failed. So if we apply the if conditions, then this is how the result will look like. So this is our table where we would like to apply the if condition. And this is my result column. Using this table, I want to find out that how many students are passed or fail. So first I will select the cell where I would like to apply the if condition, and I will type if. As we have already discussed, the if condition required three arguments. So first I have to provide the logical test, and my logical test says if the score is greater than 3.5, then the student is pass. So I'll select the cell. So if my condition is true, then my result set is pass. What if my logical test is fail? So if my logical test is fails, that means the test score is less than 3.5. In this scenario, that my logical test says that the result will be fail. So we have provided three arguments. Argument 1 says my condition. Argument 2, what if the condition is true? Argument 3, what if the condition is fail? I will close the bracket and hit enter. We can see that the result of my first argument is fail because the test score is 0.5, which is less than the 3.5. I will copy this formula and paste on entire range. And we can see that the if condition has given the result of each student. And we can see that the student where the test score is greater than 3.5 are pass, and if the test score is less than 3.5, it is fail. So this is how we can use the if condition. Thanks for watching this video.